Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your face turns into an oily mess during summer, you are not alone. In this video, I'm sharing the most effective skincare routine, natural home remedies, and diet tips to control excess oil, reduce shine, and keep your face fresh and glowing. And don't forget to comment below, which country are you watching from? I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Why summer triggers, oily skin, hot weather and humidity cause your skin to produce more sebum or oil, which mixes with sweat and clogs pores. This leads to pimples, blackheads and dull skin. That's why managing oily skin in summer is super important. Daily skincare routine. Start with a basic but powerful daily routine. Step 1. Cleanse. Gently. Use a mild, oil-free face wash with ingredients like salicylic acid. Wash your face twice a day only. Overwashing can make your skin produce more oil. Step 2. Tone. Naturally use a natural toner like rosewater, witch hazel, or green tea. They tighten pores and refresh your skin. Step 3. Moisturize lightly. Yes, oily skin also needs hydration. Use a gel-based, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Step 4. Use a matte sunscreen, never skip SPF. Choose a matte finish, oil-free sunscreen. Step 5. Blotting papers. Keep oil-absorbing sheets handy throughout the day. Let's move on to some super effective natural remedies that will help control oil naturally. 1. Gram flour and turmeric mask. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, besan, a pinch of turmeric, and enough rosewater or yogurt to make a paste. Apply on clean skin, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and wash off with cool water. This clears excess oil, removes impurities, and leaves skin fresh and smooth. 2. Alum powder and rose water toner mix. 1/4 teaspoon of alum powder, Fitkari powder, with 2 tablespoons of rose water. Apply gently with a cotton pad all over your face, avoiding eyes and lips. It works as a natural astringent, controls excess oil, minimizes open pores, and gives a cooling effect. You can store this mix in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Optional. Alum powder. Face mask. Mix 1/4 teaspoon alum powder, 1 tablespoon gram flour, and enough rose water to form a paste. Apply this once a week to deeply clean pores and control sebum. 3. Tomato juice. Dab tomatoes are rich in astringents. Apply the juice for 10 minutes and rinse off to reduce shine and tighten pores. 4. Cucumber and lemon juice mix, perfect for oily summer skin. Mix equal parts and apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Refreshing and mattifying. 5. Aloe vera gel. Use pure aloe vera gel at night to balance oil, calm inflammation, and hydrate the skin. 6. Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth, plus rose water classic combo to absorb oil and cool down the skin. Use 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth, with rose water, apply for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse. Diet tips. What you eat also affects how oily your skin feels. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Eat more fruits and veggies like cucumber, oranges, berries, and watermelon. Avoid fried and sugary foods. Add omega-3 rich foods like walnuts and flax seeds for balance. And there you have it. A complete summer guide to manage oily skin with simple steps and powerful natural remedies like alum, gram flour, Multani Mitti, and tomato. Which remedy are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.